Key West, Florida, the southernmost gem of the continental U.S., brimming with rich history and breathtaking scenery. In today's video, we're exploring the must-see spots and top activities that will make your Key West experience unforgettable. Stick around until the end, where I'll also share some hidden gems for those making the drive. Let's jump right in. Our first stop is one of the most famous landmarks in Key West, the Southernmost Point buoy. It's a must-visit photo op. You're literally just 90 miles from Cuba, and trust us, you'll want to capture this memory. 2. Sunset celebration or cruise at Mallory Square. Key West is renowned for its stunning sunsets, and the best place to catch one is at Mallory Square. Every evening, there's a lively celebration with street performers, local food vendors, and an incredible crowd coming together to witness the sunset. Grab a drink, find a spot, and enjoy the show. 3. A visit to Ernest Hemingway's home and museum is a must. You can tour the rooms where the famous author wrote some of his best works, stroll through the gardens, and meet the famous six-toed cats that still live here. It's like stepping back in time. 4. Fort Zachary Taylor, Historic State Park. On the southern edge of Key West, Fort Taylor predates the Civil War and is a National Historic Monument housing the largest cache of Civil War armament in the world. Beyond its historical importance, the park is the southernmost state park in the continental United States. 5. Take a stroll down Duval Street, the heartbeat of Key West. Whether you're in the mood for shopping, grabbing a delicious meal, or enjoying some live music, this street has it all. Don't forget to stop by Sloppy Joe's, a historic bar and a favorite of Hemingway's. 6. For some history and unbeatable views, head to the Key West Lighthouse. Climb to the top and enjoy a panoramic view of the island. Plus, you'll get to learn about the maritime history of the area. Perfect for photos and history buffs. Now for your bonus tips. If you're driving down to Key West, make sure to stop at these incredible sites along the way. For stunning views and unforgettable photos of the Florida Keys, stop by the 7-Mile Bridge Vista Point. This is one of the best spots to capture the iconic 7-Mile Bridge, especially at sunset when the ocean waters glow with vibrant colors. For families, the Dolphin Research Center offers a unique up-close experience with dolphins. Though it's a smaller location, this makes it more intimate and less crowded. The dolphin encounters are a fun, educational highlight for visitors of all ages. Theater of the Sea. A must-visit attraction, the Theater of the Sea features lagoons and lush tropical gardens, home to a variety of marine life. You'll see dolphins, sea lions, sea turtles, sharks, stingrays, alligators, and birds, offering an engaging and interactive experience. Bahia Honda State Park. Known for its beautiful white sand beaches and crystal clear waters, Bahia Honda State Park is a popular spot for snorkeling and other outdoor activities. The park also boasts views of an old railroad bridge, which you can easily spot from multiple areas within the park. Key West is packed with unforgettable experiences, from stunning sunsets and rich history. Whether you're here to relax or explore, there's something for everyone. So pack your bags and get ready to discover and take great photos of all the magic that Key West has to offer. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your travel buddies, and subscribe for more travel guides just like this one. Thanks for watching.